Hello everyone, welcome to the Blessed Day. Today's tutorial will be showing you how to participate on Megaeth Testnet. Alright, this is on Megaeth Testnet, and this particular project is just like Mona Testnet, and I'm using Brave Brave browser. Very simple for me because it's very easy to access some things. To get a full set of this Megaeth, click on this icon here. Once you click on the link, it will take you there. Then it will ask you to connect. It will ask you to paste your wallet address. Okay, you paste your wallet address here. All right, then you do your verifications. Then you click on get testnet 8. All right, you're going to get maximum of 0.005. all right, so let's go back from there. I've already done that before. So you can claim it every daily. So let's go to this let's interact here to this GTLE. All right, let's interact and see how it goes. Okay, once it's been done this way, you ask you to try get the beta net. All right. Okay, once it shows this way, you just have to connect your wallet. I've already done that before, but I'll disconnect it and show you how to connect your wallet on Brave wallet, on Brave browser. I'll disconnect right now. So this is how it will look like. Then you have to connect your wallet. Click on connect. Then you have to select Brave wallet. Then you see this pop-up that show up here, that shows and this page wants to interact with your Brave wallet. As you can see there, click on it. Then it has to put your password, the password you use to log your Brave wallet. Then once it's pop up this way, you show you to sign in. All right, so but first thing first, we need to do something here regarding this particular GTL. Let's look for testnet, but just GTL, look for set testnet GTEL SRYZ / faucet. Going to get faucet here. I think the page, okay, page not found, right? For now, like the page is no longer found. Before it was before. But let's do something here. Let's buy let's go to dash app. All right, let's look for mega or mafia. Let's look for any coin under the mega. Let's see how it goes. All right, since this is not available, let's click on swap. Then once we click on swap, we're going to select it. All right, then we swap it to another coin. Okay, let's swap it to mega. Or mafia. Let's okay. Okay, MegaETH. I can see MegaETH. Click on it. Then you're going to select 0.003. Well, let's make it 4. Let's make it 3. Let me see. It's not going. I think let's choose another one to perform. But once it's being activated, you swap, you buy, then deploy. I don't know why this is not going through. So since that one is not available for now, it's having a little challenge. Let's click on the next one. Let's use cap. Click on launch. Once your wallet is not being connected before, it will ask you to connect your wallet. The only thing I'm going to be doing here, just for you to be minting this testnet token for cap. All right, so you ask to switch to Megaeth Testnet. Then you click on this I accept. All right, just hold on, click on it, hold on, it will pop up for you to do these things. All right, moving to the next one, which is Teko. All right, you click on start earning. Let's go. So as to connect your wallet, same process I showed you that time. You connect your wallet, but before that, let's mute testnet token. Click on mute test tokens. All right, it has to mute this. Let's mute, then approve. Successful mute. You can see other ones. Mute this one. Approved. Then on to the next one, which is Teko.app. Okay. Let me see if I can mute as many as I want. Yes, you can mute as many as you want. So that you click on borrowed. Let's see. Let's click on here. Easy. Oh shit. I think pool fully initialized, so we cannot do it. Okay, let's scroll down. We can see some. For the Megaeth is no longer available. Oh. So let's use another one. Let's make use of Mega. Let me see if I have. Let's make use of the testnet token we borrowed. Okay, let's make use of 1000. Let's see this one to 1000. Let's see if it's work. Okay, let me make use of 1. I think it's not available for now. Okay, you have to lower your this thing. Let's click on borrow. Let's see how this works. Confirm again. I think this one is done. So that's how to borrow and stuff like that. So after that, you click on that particular icon again to show you to tell you to ask you to click on N. You click on N, then click on deposit, then put the amount you want to deposit. Let me say 2 of this token. 2 of this token, then approve. Okay, I make use of 1 because 2 it doesn't work with, so I make use of 1. Then also this one, so you deposit. I think this one is a mega instead. I think I don't have mega. Even the first that I cleaned, like it's not, I have not seen it yet. Alright, so I'll just leave that one for now. Then let's go for another one that we need to do. The next one we have bebop, bebop dot SRY. Alright, so we need to connect our wallets like what they do. So once you get the wallet connected, it's not show Brave that particularly, it's going to show MetaMask. Click on MetaMask, it will Brave wallet to appear. Just connect your wallet as well. So this is where we are heading to. Select tokens. Okay, your tokens. Let me make use of this, and we are going to get this. Alright, let me swap 25% of this token. Let's see. There is no insufficient liquidity for the true trade of this amount. Okay, let me reduce the price because it's too much for myself. Let's see, let's have it. We could not give you a wait. Okay, try again. Alright, admit I tried $100, so this I should approve. It's confirming. They can confirm, then approve. Then it's processing right now. So successful. Okay. Let's try another one again. Ignore. Okay, ignore and trade. Confirm. Sign in. Alright, successfully done. Okay, just keep trying doing this daily. What they didn't is just interaction. Let's do one again. See the sense I want to use. I'm still going to use this. I'm going to still use $100, but this money is not real. Okay, and then ignore, paste. So you continue doing these things and you keep on interacting. It's just the way Monad is. This is how to maximize your earnings. Please guys, please do like, subscribe to the channel. Okay, for more updates, turn on your notifications. All right, this is another massive airdrop. All right, thanks for watching.